Now let's check all the bottom consonant. We learned consonant and vowel, and then we have a bottom consonant. So it looks like there are a lot of bottom consonant, but you have to memorize all those. Rest of them, you just read the consonant that you learned. So first one, yes. And please read this one. Can you guess? Sa plus this is a good sound, so maybe you think that this is sag, but this is like if this one goes to the bottom, it changes to K sound. So sak, sak, not sag, sak. What about this one? Yes, this is a gak, ka plus K, so gak. And what about this one? Can you read? Sat, sat. Sa plus this sound, sat, sat. And the rest of them is you can think this one is sa plus sas, saz, saz. No, all of them which has all this like s sound inside, we pronounce this one sat, sat. And the last one, this one is no sound, right? So it's not sa. If it goes to the bottom, it's ng sound. So it's a sang, sang. So let's check one by one. Please read all. You can practice. Gak, gak. This one, ga plus n. So gan, gan. This one, gat, gat. Gal, gal. Gum, M sound, gum. Gap, gap. Gat, not gas, gat, gat. And gang, gang. Gat, gat. Gak, gak. Gat, gat. Kap, kap. Gat, gat. Good job. Then I will ask you some questions. So what about this one? j plus a, so j, gel, gel. Good job. What about this? Is a difficult. K plus u plus e plus k. So Greek, Greek, Greek. And what about this one? Tam, d plus a, tam. Okay, let's do the last one. Chap, chap. So the next lesson we are going to practice with ebook. So let's go.